Just a quick one. My interest, as it stands now, is how to become a good Igbo. How to become a good Igbo man. Are you an Igbo person? Are you an Igbo man, a woman, girl or a boy? No matter where you are, no matter your geographical location, this minute I am telling you to thrive to become a good Igbo person, no matter where you are. Think home, think Igbo first. How are you going to be a plus to Ali Igbo? What can you do for Ali Igbo? And not what Ali Igbo will do for you. Because Ali Igbo has done everything for you. Being an Igbo person, being born into that gene, into that ethnicity as Onyi Igbo is all that you need to succeed. Do not be perturbed about the hate, the side talks. Your only interest should be how to be a better Igbo man, how to be a better Igbo woman, how to conquer your fear. Because the fear that you are having is even, I would say, is a systematically induced fear for you to be scared a bit, or for you to lose focus, for you to forget about who you are, for you to just not reach your potentials, because your potentials is actually that which can liberate the entire universe. That is the potentials of an Igbo person. Igbo first should be the mantra. Igbo first should be what you should be concerned with. How do we better our communities? How do we contribute to community development, to societal development? The recent tug of wars, the insecurities are alien. It is a foreign orchestrations to keep Ali Igbo down. Use your head. Do not be perturbed about this, but invest more time in convincing yourself that you are much better, that you can do better, that you can become the best. I don't know how best to communicate this to you, but the time now, the identity and cultural revolution that is happening right now must be taken serious by every Igbo person. I am using the foreign language, I am using English language in order to communicate to my people who are outside the Igbo land. Ndi Igbo who found themselves in the Caribbean, Ndi Igbo who are in Equatorial Guinea, Ndi Igbo who are elsewhere in the Americas, Ndi Igbo who didn't have the opportunity, the privilege of learning, of being communicated to with Igbo language. I am sending this message to you. Anamachawanem is the project that is uniting, that is bringing the Igbo together to form, to sensitize about our heritage, about our superpowers. I am proud to say this to you. And I am proud I'm proud to be associated with my brothers who has reached out from St. Kitts and Nevis, from Jamaica, Haiti, Barbados, Belize, America, United States of America, from Equatorial Guinea, from Gabon. I doff my hat to you all. Thank you for supporting the Anamachawanem project. It is a project for Ndi Igbo. It is a project of unity. It is a project of love. Ndi Igbo in diaspora will come together, form a stronger union that will come home and develop Ali Igbo. Ali Igbo needs massive infrastructural development. We have forests that is even turning to a curse to us. massive forest that foreigners have invaded, has circled. From there, they are launching attacks into our mainlands to decimate us. We should look into massive infrastructural developments of our Igbo. I just want to send this message out to every willing mind, every willing soul that can hear this and hearken and answer the clarion call of Igbo unity, Igbo unification through the Unify Igbos Now project. Yes, the sensitization is brought to you by Ndi Igbo, Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. Thank you all and God bless.